Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and in this video, I will explain you like how you can use Scrapingdog's Google SERP API to extract and save the data directly to your CSV sheet. So, if you don't know that we have already released a add-on for Google Sheets, you can download it from Google Workspace Marketplace. I'm going to attach this link in the description section below. So, if you head to your Google Sheet. Once you download this add-on, that add-on will appear on the right hand side, and you can just use it by clicking on it, and an add-on will appear which will look like this. So in for this tutorial we are going to scrape Google search you we are going to use Google search scraper. Let's click on it. This is how the scraper will look like. To access this add-on, of course you will need an API key from scrapingdog.com, and you can get it by just a simple sign up from here or over here if you want to sign up with Google. Once you sign up, you will be redirected to your dashboard, and the dashboard will look like this. You just have to copy your API key from here, and you just have to paste it over here. You can type any query, let's say Tiger. You can take country code as US or anything you like, and just click on start scraping. So once you click on start scraping, the sheet will get populated with the result we obtained from Google searches. These are all organic search results, and this is the title, this is the URL, and this is the description. So the function, the utility of this add-on doesn't stop over here. Let's say you want to scrape first 5 pages for this particular query. You can just select any number of query and any number of pages from here, from drop down. Let's say I want to scrape first 5 pages for this query. Just hit start scraping, and the add-on will keep populating the sheet with the first 50 results. As you all know, you get 10 results per page from Google. So it will keep populating the sheet like this. You don't need any technical knowledge. Access this add-on. You just need an account, and once you sign up, you just need an API key from the dashboard. Look how beautiful it looks. It will just keep populating the sheet, and since you got 51 results, it shows that finished scraping 5 pages. So this is how it works. And if you have like any questions regarding this particular add-on or any API from scrapingdog.com, then you can reach out to us at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.